Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Rosalyn Ortiz, 29 years old, single. My father is farmer and my mother is housewife. I'm graduated in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at the School of Cabalong Western College.
That is a 4-year course.
Yes, ma'am.
So after schooling, what did you do?
Um,
Did you find a job?
yes, ma'am.
What kind of work?
I find any job, like for
What work? You said a while ago that you've been working in Manila as a local housemaid.
yes, ma'am.
Since when is that?
Since the year 2005 up to 2010.
Until?
Until 2010.
Okay, one family only. Okay, how many are they in the house?
There are 2 children.
How old are the children?
The children,
When you start working? All are
23, boy is 23 and the girl is 18.
So you mean to say you are serving all adults, no small children inside the house. How many housemaids?
There are 3.
What were your main duty?
My
Main duty in the house.
cooking,
So you're a good cook?
yes, ma'am, cooking and sometimes fix the children for the school and cleaning.
You still send them to school? 18 years old?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So whatever work assigned to you, even there were 3 maids, you're helping with each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but let's say in Hong Kong, you're the only maid. Is it okay with you?
Yes, ma'am.
You can manage all the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what more? If ever your employer will hire you, what more you can assure them, or what more they can expect from you?
Ma'am, sir, if you hire me as your helper, I promise to be hardworking, honest, and follow your house rules, and I serve your family as well